G'day, let's have a look at these Wera Kraftform Plus 300 series screwdrivers. So this is Wera's general use set. So they make a whole bunch of different screwdrivers for very specific use cases. This is their sort of all-round general set. So these are really nice. I've got a whole bunch of these, obviously Phillips, posi drives. They make them in Torx, slotted, squares as well. So the whole shebang. Basically, this handle, so all of these handles, you can see the black there is a hard plastic, and then that over mold, so the green color is a softer rubber. So that's where you get a lot of that grip. So these handles fit in the hand really well. They kind of have these three different areas where I just find the three fingers, they kind of slide in really nice, and then you kind of cap them on top. And the nice thing about these is when you're actually torquing something and turning it, your palm kind of makes contact with this area here and a lot of this here. So this is nice and wide. That's kind of where you grip it, and that's where you end up transferring a lot of the force. So the reason that's good is when you need that high torque, you want to be as far away from the center of rotation. So the further away you are, the more torque you can get by the same amount of force. So it's nice here if you're just turning something really quickly, you can kind of just use your thumb and your finger there, and that kind of goes nice and quick. And then if you need more force, you obviously grab the whole thing and use that. And really try to grip it. When you need a lot of force, obviously you'll probably be using these bigger ones. You really want to be gripping it in the middle here to try to be as far away from the center of rotation as possible in order just to have as much torque as you can. So since we're talking about handles on the back here, you can see they'll have different colors and different numbers on them. So the yellow there just means it's a slotted screwdriver, and then you got it at 6.5, so that's just 6.5 millimeter width of that actual tip. But then when it comes to these ones here, just look at these, I guess. So we've got a 1, 2, and a 3 in red. So red means it's a Phillips, and 1, 2, and 3 is just a Phillips number. And then likewise here with the white, we've got the posi drivs. So for example, the tips, you can see the difference in those tips there. So obviously this one's Phillips, this one here is posi driv. And kind of moving to the tips, I guess the key feature of these ones, at the end here, you can see that black etching. So that black etching there is actually just laser etched into the metal. And what that does is it just creates a rougher finish right on that tip. So the reason that's there is it just bites into the fastener a bit better and just holds it on really well. So these hold the screws really well, and they just don't fall out on their own, even if you move it around a little bit. So obviously it fell out before, but it will eventually fall out, but they do hold it really well. So you can see that you can pretty much hold it upside down as well, and it will stay in there. So the nice thing about these is they can also be magnetized. So this is just a Wera magnetizer here, but there's a whole bunch of range of these guys, different shapes and sizes. Swipe it through a few times, magnetize them, and then the hold is even better. So it'll obviously hold that magnetically, put it in, and it just holds really well. So I'll show that as well with just this workpiece here. So if you put a Phillips 2 into a Phillips 2 fastener, kind of push it in a little bit, you can almost turn that upside down before the screwdriver will actually fall out. So you can see that it's actually held in really nicely. And it does eventually fall out, of course, that makes sense. But if you jam it in there, it holds it really well. Now, some of these do actually come with a black tip instead, so not a laser tip, so like this sort of silver finish here. They will actually come with a black shaft and a black tip. So those ones aren't laser etched. They're slightly cheaper alternatives. I find they also hold the bits in pretty well. There is definitely a little bit of a difference, and the laser etching works a bit better, but not a considerable one, or laser tip. But if you're getting a nice set of this, you may as well get that laser tip. Get the full set of features, because these screwdrivers are going to last you a very long time. This is really nice, really high quality ones from Wera. The other thing I didn't mention as well is this hex thing out the front. So you've got lip molded up here into a hex, and the reason that's there is when you put them down, they obviously do roll a little bit, but it's an anti-roll feature. So they're made to stop rolling. If you do put them and spin them, they will roll for a little bit, but then they will come to a stop. But if you just place them down, they usually don't roll around, because that catches them and they kind of sit really nicely in there. So again, as I mentioned before, this is your general set. So these aren't insulated, they're not for electrical work or VDE. There's this other set, so again, a whole bunch of different ones. I'll link them all below, so I'll put links to all of these below if you want to check any of this out. And then I got a couple of other videos of these other series and a video comparing all of this as well. So I'll just link all of that, and if you want to see more of these other ones, then you can have a look at that. Really nice set, absolutely love these, super handy, versatile, they'll last a lifetime, really good quality tools, so highly recommend picking up a set if you are in the market for new screwdrivers. You can't really go wrong with them, and they just look really nice with that black and green. Personally, I just really like that, so that's it. Awesome, that's it, quick look at these Wera Kraftform Plus 300 series. Thanks very much and have a good one.